Good morning, guys. Such a crucial day for the markets today. Please, guys, if you have not yet watched the Ethereum video, I'm gonna actually just pop us over here for a second so you can see this. This is rendering on YouTube right now. You guys need to watch this today. I did a comparison. I'll show you guys a little bit of this on Ethereum of why this is a crash or breakout moment. Really quickly, guys, follow me over to the VUG, the futures, and the S&P. The VUG right now, this is sitting exactly at a descending resistance, which in the past, when we have hit this, we have absolutely seen many crashes, if not, you can call them decent or large crashes in the market for the stock market, as well as the VUG, which we track as the Vanguard Growth ETF. Okay, this is one source. Let me show you another source. The futures contracts are now sitting at a very strong descending resistance. And are we going to actually push up here, or is this going to be a bull trap to the upside to then push us back down? Now let's look at the S&P 500. Look at this descending resistance we've got over here that's so strong, and we are right here right now this morning. Are the global markets going to start pumping up here and push us into the bull run we've been looking for? Or is this actually the place where we're going to start seeing another drop back down? Very crucial day for you guys to be watching that analysis and the videos we got coming out here. Okay, I want to go over Avalanche today because Avalanche is incredibly strong, guys. It's incredibly strong during this bear market. I will show this to you by looking at on-chain data. I'm excited about this because we are very close to winning this, and this will be our 111th win in a row that we've won. We've never lost a crypto trade, so if you guys want to trade with us, in the description, click the link that says access our trade metrics, as well as our trade setups and Telegram and all that. Click that link, get a membership, and trade with us. It is not going to be something you regret. We are going to be taking our 111th, 12th, and 13th on Avalanche, Matic, as well as Mana. Those are the next three we're going to be looking to win. So make sure you guys sign up. That's in the description. Watch this. We're looking this morning at trend dashboard, and we can see that we've seen retail traders, they're in the middle. As far as structures go, we're below all of the major moving averages, but we are above and we're bullish on the RSI, stochastic, and MACD. This is exactly the point right now where everyone's watching today. Everybody in the markets on the altcoins are looking at this descending resistance that's literally on every single coin. And there's just a few that have broken out. This is the moment where we're either going to skyrocket up or we're just going to drop straight back down. And it is the second day of the Fed meeting. So Fed meeting, you guys know the Federal Reserve meeting was going on March 15th and 16th. So today is the last day. Once we see some notes from that, once we see the meeting minutes, we can update you guys on that. But I want to wait for everything to be finished today, so we're not making assumptions before that ends. Okay, look at this. Price for swell money flow and trend exhaustion. Follow me down here, and then we're going to actually go over the metrics over here that you guys need to see why I'm so bullish on AVAX, and I'll prove this to you guys with data that's undisputable, okay? It's what Wells are doing as well. Price for swell money flow, trend exhaustion. We can see here that we are getting very close to the top red section on the trend exhaustion. Okay, what happened the last time we got up here? Well, you guys know if you watch these videos, you guys need to be watching for trend exhaustion to be in the top red section and well money flow to be high. If you follow this straight up, this is where we ended up seeing the drop back down in the market. Okay, you go previous to this, you're just looking for trend exhaustion to be high and well money flow to be high. What was that doing? It called the drop before it happened. Okay, guys, it called the drop before it happened. Be very conscious of what I'm trying to say here. Then go in the past again. Trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. It called the drop before it happened. The money you guys are making with this, literally we have people trading for a living with these indicators. We had some emails come in the other day that are like, Travis, I'm making so much money. I'm basically back to break even, was literally the email that Jake and Josh sent me that had me read over. They're like, look at this, man. People are using our indicators and our strategy, and they're starting to get back closer to break even in this bear market. Guys, snag these in the description. The reason why I'm kind of pushing this a little hard right now is to let you guys know that we have the sale going on of 84% off. Okay, you will never be able to get these indicators lower than this price right now. Just so you guys know, mark these words down. Like I'm not saying this to make this like a sell thing where you guys are like, oh, he's going to change it later. No, we will never have the indicator bundle pack lower than this ever. So make sure you guys snag this. We are calling drops, and we have the highest win rate on all of YouTube, and we use these two indicators to call those drops, as well as you guys can scalp with these as well. All my guys who came out here and they scalped, let me prove this to you on a scalping trade. So good job for all of you guys who have those. But look at this, and we'll go over the metrics. Those of you guys who are looking at us pushed down to the anxious section. You guys know how to trade this. Anxious section, you need to come over here. Is trend exhaustion in the bottom red section? Is well money flow low? Yes. Once that's met, you guys are entering in, and do you know how much you're going for? Everybody at the same time. We're going for 3 to 4%. That's how you guys scalp this strategy. We got all the way up to about 9%. So all my scalpers, great job. You guys clearly made money on that trade for AVAX. If you guys want to know how to scalp with us, and I do believe we have the healthiest scalping strategy out there because we use very good risk management, come over here. Once you guys have a membership, go over to the masterclass videos, scroll all the way down, and I will teach you guys how to scalp here. And we literally have people trading for a living with the scalping strategy. It is kind of ridiculous. I am also releasing today the Masterclass 8 of how to use these indicators to spot divergence and trend reversals and how to maximize these to get the most money out of them. I will be releasing that today, so watch that in the Telegram channel. Okay, let's move over and let me tell you guys why I'm so excited about this. It's when you go to the crypto charts on the front page, scroll down to Avalanche all the way at the bottom here, and let's go over this. We see the emotional index is sitting in here very close to, we're still in the anxious section because we're obviously pushed down here in a bear market. We're not anywhere close to excited, but when we do get up here, guys, definitely be watching for some type of drops back down. When the market is anxious and fearful, this is where institutions buy and retail traders sell. Follow me down here, guys. Long for short trades. Long trades are just steadily increasing over here over the last few days, and short trades are basically staying the same. This is a bullish sign. This is the good. Now let's move down to market cap strength. The market cap strength of Avalanche is ridiculous. This is insane, guys. Look at this. As price structure is clearly heading down, the market cap of AVAX is actually increasing the entire time we're making lower highs. Even the lows are getting lower and market cap is moving up. Some of you guys don't know how to read this, so let me explain this real quick of why this is so ridiculously bullish. You need to understand how powerful this metric is. This shows the percentage of market cap that is in Avalanche compared to the rest of the crypto market. So that means if this green line ever goes up here, it means that people are literally selling other altcoins to put their money in Avalanche because this cannot go up unless money's flowing into this coin and being taken out of other coins. It literally says, other coins, we're going to backburner you. We don't care about you as much. We're going to put our money into Avalanche. This is institutions. This is Wells. These are big boys moving the market cap. This isn't retail traders. We don't have enough money to do this. So the billions of dollars that are in this market cap over here, Wells and institutions, guys, are clearly buying this thing up on the drop. Do they know something that we don't? And could this thing absolutely explode here in the next few days? Okay, watch this closely because this is what we're looking for. And once we get back up here, guys, I'm going to call an exit probably close to around this 8%, 7% mark at this structure high here when trend exhaustion basically comes back up to the top red section. Looking for that drop, we'll exit this and then get back into the trade, and we'll take our 111th win. So this is very bullish if we can break out here. Let's continue down and look at more metrics. Trades in favor today is a good long trade. So if you guys have some money left over and you guys look at your accounts today and you're like, I've got an extra, $10,000. You got an extra $100, $1,000, whatever it is. If you've got extra cash here, all my cash is put in buy limits right now in case we drop. But we're at 121,000, close to 123,000, I guess. 122,000 here. I'm out of 150. Healthiest channel and crypto account we can find because we use good risk management. If you guys want to look to get into a long trade today, this is a very good place to enter because once you're in here, I'll show you guys literally in this video, just keep watching. I'll show you guys how to do this where if you get into here and it goes up, you're going to make great money. But if it goes back down, I'll show you how to use good risk management just like we are here with 4 different buy limits. So it doesn't matter if you enter in up here and the market drops. Your break-even entry will come down with you, giving you a trade win faster, and you're going to make more money because you have more buy limits hit. This is the best strategy, guys, and not to be arrogant about this, but we have the highest win rate on YouTube we can find, and is because of the good risk management. I'll teach this to you guys. Look at Wells Institutions coming out here, guys, and absolutely buying this thing up on the dip. Let me get this out of here so we can see this real quick, just to, if that's okay with you guys. Look at this drop down here. This is where we saw this huge building of long trades come out here. Last time, they did the exact same thing. It came down and the market went back up. They made their money on these jumps. This is not small percentage jumps, guys. If you're following institutions, these guys are taking great gains on lower entries, and they're then coming out and selling them. What they're doing is they are acquiring this on the move down because nobody knows where the bottom is. Okay, nobody knows where the bottom. But if you start acquiring these long trades around here, you're going to make your money back up. And when this market starts really taking off here, you're going to see all these people into profit, and you will see this metric shift over to short trades. So follow me here. I know this is bullish and we're getting excited about this, and there's a rightful reason to be excited because we see market cap absolutely taking off here while the price is still low. That shows a bullish sign. But as the price starts moving up here, you need to watch for this scenario to happen right here. People got very excited, and as they did, institutions came out and shorted this and the market crashed. So watch this. If we start seeing orange bars to the downside, we need to be cautious here to know that, hey, we may want to take profit a little bit sooner than later for a potential move back down. That's why you guys need to have these metrics and watch these. Literally, for all of our coins, you can watch this. It will make you such a better trader, such a better trader. And you guys don't just get access to the metrics, you get access to all the trades I'm taking. So you can just copy me if you want because we've never lost a trade. And then on top of that, you guys can also have the metrics to look at trades that you guys want to take outside of what I'm trading or anything like that. Really fun. Okay, resistance. If we pump, we're going to 80.51. That is the target that we're looking for as far as a pump move back up, and it's at structure highs here. Not an unrealistic target. That's where I'm looking for a move up here. It's also close to where we're going to be looking to take an exit. Now, if we drop back down, I'm looking at this support here about 64, and I think that pushes us pretty close to right around, no, it's this support right here. So moving back down, I wouldn't doubt if we see that. I showed you guys the S&P 500 to give perspective and wisdom in this video. I'm not going to come out here and just say, oh, it's just going to go to the moon. You need to understand the global markets are looking a little bearish this morning. The S&P 500 is at a crucial resistance where this thing could drop down. We did get a gap up here, which is a bullish sign, but this could be dropping. So best thing to do, because we don't know which way this market's going to go, is to expose yourself. Sorry, I'm trying to find AVAX. Like, where'd it go? I would suggest, not a financial advice, but to expose yourself to the market to at least get in something if it goes up or if it goes down. And I'll show you how to do this here. Give me 1 second, 2 more metrics, and we'll dive into the trade setup so you guys can take advantage of this. Okay. Entries. For dollar cost average entries, guys, you got such an incredible entry here. That lower point right here, I told you guys where Wells Institutions bought. If you just watch this metric, you guys were able to get in here and snag this before it started moving up. If you are the type that are watching our videos and you're like, the scalping strategy is awesome. And yes, guys, I can arguably make a point. You will make more money with scalping than you will with holding. I won't go into that, but you can. A lot of YouTubers are actually switching over now to scalping and swing trading versus holding. I've seen this shift already happen, okay? But no problem if you guys are diamond hand holders and you don't have time. It usually comes down to a time thing where you don't have time to manage a lot of trades. This metric right here is the best one we can find on all the internet. I've had Glassnode's subscriptions. I've been a crypto quant. I know Sentiment. I know WellMap. I know all these big places out there that have metrics. Guys, this is the best one to give you guys entries of if you just want to check every morning at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, throw money in when you get a green line and hold for the long term. Incredible lower entries for you guys to enter into. And then if you guys ever want to exit your diamond hand holding positions, look for this metric here to give you guys calls before the market drops back down so you can take profit if you need to, buy something with your money or something like that. Okay. Let's move straight into a trade setup. Scroll down here and you guys will see the exact buy limits to enter in with. I'm going to show this to you guys on Bitcoin because I want to keep it private for our members, but watch this. This is how you guys are going to trade this. And you guys are looking at our thumbnails and you're like 110 wins and 0 losses. Yes, we have video proof of all of them, okay? And we also have it proof of all of them in Telegram. So come over here and what you guys can do, literally, when you guys get a Telegram channel, come over here and look for the little party hats. Every single win that we've taken over here has a party hat, and it also has a little photo attached to it that has timestamps on all of our entries, our exits, and exactly what we did. So everything is documented because I knew we were going to get people to be like, there's no way you guys have won 110 wins. Yes, we actually have. And if you understand our risk management, you will understand, oh yeah, I can understand now why you haven't lost a trade because you spread your money out so far and you're patient for the break-even entry to hit. That right there should show you guys enough that we actually truly are 110 wins for 110. If you understand that principle I just shared. All right, here's what you guys are going to do. You guys are going to see 4 different buy limits this morning on AVAX. You choose to do this your own. I'm not a financial advisor. Just need to make that clear. Make this a legal video. So choose the amount that you want to trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split the 1,000 into four portions, 250. Place 250 at each of the 4 buy limits in yellow. Okay, here you guys go. Prices. This is literally what the Bitcoin is, and it's going to update here in 10 minutes for you guys. Once your first buy limit is hit in yellow, set a sell limit up for 100% in your exchange on the green. If you guys like visuals, watch this video. I literally show you guys how to do all this in this video. It's really fun. If this isn't enough, but it's really simple. You're going to have 4 yellow lines this morning that are going to be different than what I have because we're obviously in a trade. Once that first buy limit gets hit, set up a sell limit wherever that is on AVAX just in case we bounce back up. All you guys are going to do after that, if you get in right now and you just follow the Telegram channel, I will call an exit for everybody in this trade because I am in this trade right now. So if you guys let me reverse here. If you guys get in right now and you guys actually take the exit when I exit, which I'm going to pick about 8%, you will take about 20% if you just follow me in Telegram because I will call an exit for AVAX. Because you're entering lower, you are guaranteed to probably make about 2 to 3 times the amount of money that we make because you're starting at a lower price. Congratulations, guys, for watching the video today. You guys have that opportunity right now. Okay, that's in the Telegram channel, so sign up on your phone or computer, click the Telegram channel link, or come up here to the menu bar and just click Telegram and you guys can get in there. All right, indicators real quick. I want to tell this to you guys. We have a, I'm going to call it like a leprechaun sale because I just think that's fun. Our indicators that we use to call exits and predict market moves like I showed you guys over here. When trend exhaustion is high, when well money flow is high, guys, we are literally able to call these drops with incredible accuracy. The 2-3 most powerful indicators we have ever used. And we've coded these and they're working very well for us. We haven't lost a trade yet. And we have people scalping for a living over here. We have this, the lowest we will ever have this price, guys. This isn't something where I'm going to come out and say, oh, it's the lowest. And then 3 months later, we'll drop it lower. No, I want to earn your guys' respect on this channel. So when I say this is the lowest we will ever have this is the lowest we will ever have these indicators. And this is going to end in 15 days. Okay, it goes up on the 31st. Today is the 16th. March has 31 days. 31 minus 16 is 15 days. There's 15 days left that you guys can snag this. Do this now so you guys can get it on your charts. If you want to buy them individually, you can do that. You're going to get 40 to 60% off. Use coupon code SAVE MONEY. But literally, you guys are getting the bundle pack like cheaper than the 3 that you need anyways, and you guys actually get all 9 of our indicators together. 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before, which are just ridiculously awesome. We call the pressure gauge jokingly the jackpot indicator. You'll understand once you watch this video of why it's called that, and you guys will get these for life. It's a one-time purchase, not a monthly fee. And on top of this, guys, no one's doing this. We give you guys the source code to the indicators. Like nobody's doing this, guys. This is why we have the #1 highest selling product on all of Gumroad for education, trading, and indicators. We're honored by that. I told you guys in the last video, we got a letter from Gumroad.com. They're like, hey, just let you guys know you're in the top, X amount of traders on Gumroad. So that was pretty cool. But literally, this is the best sell we've got going on. We've literally never had it lower than this. Black Friday was at this price. Black Friday was at this price, guys. So anyways, I know I'm geeking out a little bit about this right now, but make sure you guys snag that because it really is the lowest you'll ever get it. That's in the description. But overall, guys, watch this. Make sure you guys have a membership over here and you're signed up because you can get into those entries with those buy limits and watch the metrics, guys. Watch the metrics because this is getting very bullish and AVAX could be one of these coins that just absolutely skyrockets. So make sure you guys are watching us over on the charts over here, okay? God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing day. Let's watch to see what happens here. But a move up here, I would say by next week, we could easily be targeting this move about $80, and that would be a nice little pump here. Let's give ourselves a little bit of a percentage here before we leave this video. You're looking at about a 10 to 11% pump by next week. I don't think that's unrealistic. It's either that or we drop back down. Very crucial moment. This is looking bullish. One of the most bullish coins in the entire market because people are clearly buying this up. And they're holding as well as buying the dip more than other coins. This is actually more bullish than Bitcoin, guys, actually, if you look at that chart. So the amount, sorry, I know this is a long video. If you literally look at this curve right here and you look at how fast this is moving up in relativity to how much it's going down, this right here, look, I'm just going to show it to you guys because if you want to stick around, it's actually more bullish than Bitcoin itself. I know Bitcoin over here is looking good, but if you come down here, you guys can see this hasn't dropped down a terrible amount. It's actually consolidating. And yes, market cap is going up on Bitcoin, but actually Avalanche, if you look at how much the price has gone down and how much market cap has actually gone up, it's actually more bullish than Bitcoin right now. It's a sleeper. If you don't have money in Avalanche, not a financial advisor, but you may want to take a look at getting some money in. All right, guys, that's it for you guys. Indicators, 84% off. They're in the description. Snag those guys. Get the membership with the metrics. You guys will love those. And I'll keep coming out with videos here. Have an amazing day, guys. God bless you. And let's see if we can go for 120 wins in the month of March. We'll see. All right, guys. We'll see you later. All the links you need are in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. Bye, guys.